We just got this cooler bag from Everlasting Comfort, and I am honestly already so obsessed. Besides having so many different zippers and pockets, it is just so nice looking. It has the straps at the back, so that are padded. So it is great if you're going, hiking or camping or even just taking to the beach. No more struggling trying to awkwardly carry a cooler. It holds 54 cans. It is leak proof and it is water resistant. You have the mesh pockets here on the side that actually fits quite a bit in here. And you even have in the zipper part here on both sides, you can pull this out and tuck it underneath so that whatever you have in there, you do not want it to get wet. It comes with a bottle opener. And again, as I mentioned, all kinds of nice deep pockets, like spots you can put your phone, you can put your keys, and we'll just open this up here on the top. It does keep drinks and food nice and cold for up to 24 hours. As you can see, really deep in there. And yeah, I cannot wait to start using this. Really nice, lightweight design, so easy to carry. I think I just found a secret zipper over here. Look at this, right on here. Like if you wanted to stick some money or your credit card. I didn't even know that zipper was there. Tuck that in. Nobody would even know. How cool is that? This bag, probably the best purchase ever.